Oh, look at that. All right.
Look at all those roots. How have we not checked this yet? This cracks me up.
This is amazing. Look at all those roots. Wow. So the root hormone worked. Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden.
Hi you guys, happy Sunday, good morning to you. It's Science Sunday around here and it's day 153.
If you don't know, we're the Quarantine Gardeners and this is our daily video log of us accomplishing different garden projects around our garden while we're under quarantine.
And we're thankful you're here today, you guys. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below if you haven't already so you don't miss out on all the daily videos we post.
So guys, today is 153 of the Quarantine Gardeners, and back on day 90, we actually did some rosemary cuttings, and so we wanted to update you on how those are doing.
You guys, we have forgotten to check these. We were so busy this summer finishing up our final manuscript for our book coming out, we totally forgot to check these.
But today we're gonna give you an update, and you get to see along with us what rooted and what didn't.
Okay, you guys, we have two different types of rosemary, and if you watched this previous video back on day 90, you probably remember these. We have blue spires rosemary. Oh, it smells amazing. And then we had this barbecue rosemary.
And guys, it actually does smell like barbecue. It's really cool.
Oh, it smells so good. We still haven't planted these yet, but we will.
We will.
So we took cuttings because why not?
Why not?
And so we had 3 cuttings from each plant. Well,
one didn't make it.
One didn't make it.
Of the barbecue cuttings, and we're sorry to say the cutting didn't take. It basically just died on us. So we watered everything the same and we treated them all similarly, but one of the cuttings just didn't make it. So guys, to back up and to reiterate what we did on day 90, we took all these cuttings on the same day. They're all in the same potting soil. They're all in the same size of pots, and we used root hormone on all of these, and so we kept all those variables the same, and just between the 2 rosemaries we're seeing what actually is going to root the best. And obviously we lost one here, so that's not a good sign so far, but the results aren't in yet because the main objective was to see what would root and what we could actually make new plants out of. So here we go.
Okay, what is our first cutting?
So first cuttings, we're going to do the blue spires rosemary. Okay, first one, let's do this. Oop, a little messy, folks. Oh, look at that. All right.
Look at all those roots.
Neat.
You guys, how have we not checked this yet? This cracks me up.
This is amazing. Look at all those roots. Wow. So the root hormone worked. Now, we can't say with or without root hormone that these cuttings would have rooted. We just know with the rooting hormone, it worked and they did root. So
that could be a different test.
So there's one.
Okay, that's awesome. Woohoo! I'm happy just even that's the only one.
I know, me too. So, okay, so
1 blue spires.
1 out of 3 so far. Let's see number 2 here. Okay, yep. Oh, there we go.
And they're starting to circle.
They're even circling, that's great. Look at all that. Look at all those roots. Isn't that cool, you guys? All right, so we got 2 new plants. Woohoo! Okay, and for number 3, here we go. So right now we're 2 for 3.
Yep.
There we go, and ta-da! Look at that, we're 3 for 3, all right. That is great.
That's so cool. We have 3 new blue spires rosemary plants.
Awesome. Okay, now, next up.
Barbecue.
So again, we're already 1 behind the 8 ball here because for the barbecue we lost one before we could check to see if it rooted. So best case scenario, we're 2 for 3. And there we go. Now, not as robust as the blue spires, but still we have roots.
Okay.
So that's looking good.
That's good.
That's nice. All right. So, and for the last one. All right. Again, not as robust. Not as many roots, not circling, not as thick and as we saw in the blue spires, but the barbecue did come through. We're 2 for 3. So that's good. So pretty cool. Our next steps are to keep these growing and to keep them healthy and to get them big enough so we can actually put them out in the landscape. So I think we'll leave them in their pots for another month or 2 and then we can think about planting them in the fall.
So those are great results. We're super happy with what we found. And if you want to know more about how to take rosemary cuttings, check our previous video. It was day 90 of the Quarantine Gardeners back in June.
And we'll have a link down below for you so you can just click right through. So guys, with that, let us know your comments and questions down below. We love hearing from you guys. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, that's a wrap. We've got more work to do ahead today, but we'll be back tomorrow with our next Mulching Monday tip. So come on back to see what we're talking about, and we hope you have a great rest of your weekend.
Have a great day, you guys.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.